it is easy for us to learn the operators what are there in your DBMS. So these are the operators what we are having. What are the first one? Arithmetic operators, character operators, relational operator, between operator, in, is not, like, logical operators, group by operator, order by operator. Now these are the different operators we are going to perform this operators on EMP table and DP table. With these operators we are going to get different types of information from that table. So let us see now. The first query is that, uh, okay, so let us see now the my I'm going to write some query here. Okay, see this queries, display the employee number, name, salary, and after increment salary 1000. Okay, for our understanding purpose I'll write one query here. So what is my question here? Display, okay, employee number, comma, employee name, comma, salary from EMP. First of all, okay, if you want to see this answer, so how to write a query now? How we are going to write? Select, what we are going to select? Employee number, comma, employee name, comma, salary from EMP. This is the query. Okay, now the same query I'm typing here. Select employee number, comma, employee name, comma, salary from EMP table. Now the information what you are going to get, this is clear. For this query you are going to get this information. Now what I'm doing here is, in this information I want to use the arithmetic operators. So what are the arithmetic operators? The arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division. I want to use these operators. So to use these operators, now I'm going to start writing one small query. So what is the query here is that, for that, so what is my query here is, so I'm going to see, write one query here. So what is the query means? So my query is that I want to display, okay, same as this employee number, comma, employee name, comma, salary. And next one, what is another thing is that, I want to see the person salary after incrementing, if I increment 1000 rupees for every employee. Okay, so and I want to see that, okay, salary. And if salary is incremented 1000 rupees, okay, okay, what will be that column? So I want to see that information. So now what is my question here is that, including this column I want to get separate column. In that column I want to see the salaries with increment 1000 rupees for every employee. So how I'm going to get, see here, how I'm going to write? Observe that, select same employee number, employee name, comma, salary. Up to this, okay. Now what I want to get? The next new column. The new column I want to get, that column should contains the values which is been incremented 1000 for the salary. So what I'm doing here? Salary plus 1000 from EMP table. Now what you observed here? Okay, up to these three columns which is there in the table, that is been shown. Now we created a new column and we are displaying that value. In this new column what we are getting? The incremented salary. How much incremented here? I have been incremented 1000 rupees salary. But I don't want to see this formula here. Yes, I want to create an alias name that incremented salary. So this, for the same query, what I'm using here is space here as I incremented salary. So what I'm doing here, when I'm displaying the information for the column name, if I want to create an alias, so what is the column name here? Space as, what I'm doing here? Increment salary. Now see the information what I get here. So what is the difference observed here? The previous table and this table. Here we have been getting this salary plus 1000 code, whatever I have written here. Here what I'm getting? Increment salary. What I created here? I created some alias name, means the name alias name will be displayed as a column name when you are displaying the information. Okay, now see this, how you got this column here, the new column, because you have been incremented with 1000. Okay, so what operator I used here? Plus operator. Okay, so now what my next query is that if I go on increasing the 1000 rupees, what happened here means some persons are being getting benefit, all the persons are getting the benefit in this EMP if I increment 1000. But my question is that as per my budget, when I go on increasing the 1000 rupees for the each and every employees, my budget is not sufficient. So what I decided that whatever the salaries are there in EMP, for their salaries I want to increment 10%, not 1000, 10%. So how to write a query? So observe that select employee number, comma employee name, comma salary, comma. Now what is my, what, how much I want to increment? I said I want to increment 10%. So how to write a formula here? Salary, already the existed salary, plus from the salary how much? 10%, 10 divided by 100. Okay, now this is the way to find out the percentage of the 10% salary, and that salary should be added to the old salary. So can I create an alias name for this? Yes, yes, as increment salary. From which table? From EMP table. So now I come to understand, see that this salary is been this is the incremented salary. How much incremented here? 10% from their existed salary. So suppose now 800 is the Smith salary. If I incremented it to 10%, it has been becoming as what? 880. Now if I increment if I go for Alan's salary 1600, if I increment it 10%, it is going, he is going to get how much? 1760. So like that, the employees, based on the employees old salary, we have been incremented 10% salary. So what here we want to make it to understand here is that how to use the operators in a query. That is one point I want to make you highlight. And the second thing is that already existing tables are there. Now here this increment salary is not an existing table. So from the information, whatever the table, whatever the records are there in your existing table, from that we are going to try to get the information with the new existing table, another existing table. So another new table, new column, sorry. So what is the new column I got here? Incremented salary. Okay, so I have been used the arithmetic operator, multiplication. So arithmetic plus multiplication, division. Now I want to use one more thing is what? Subtraction. So after incrementing the 10% salary for every person, from that I want to deduct 100 rupees for some any activities from every some monthly some activities will be there. So I want to deduct some 100 rupees for every employee. So for that, how I want to write the query? Select employee number, comma employee name, comma salary, comma salary how much? The same 10% salary should be incremented. Okay, how much salary? 10 divided by 100. And from that how much I want to deduct? 100 rupees. Okay, so actual salary. Now what is the column name I'm going to print? Actual salary from EMP. So now see here. So if I select one person salary 800, I incremented 10% salary, and from that I have been deducted 100 rupees for everyone. So 100 rupees is common for every person, and the salary how much I'm incrementing? 10% to every employee. So this is the way I'm going to use an operator. So what operators I used here? Arithmetic operator, plus, multiplication, division, subtraction. Are you understanding, everyone?